Hey there, Shawn Bayley. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to give you a little sales funnel 101. We're going to talk about actually making money with sales funnel because I know that now that ClickFunnels has released their new updated version, ClickFunnels 2.0, there's going to be a lot of people who are getting starting with funnels, upgrading funnels, doing that type of thing. But I know that there's a lot of people out there that are still kind of can't wrap their mind around the concept of funnels and how awesome they are, especially when it comes to making money with funnels. So I'm going to cover here today and show you and talk about how to make your first $1,000 with a sales funnel, because that's kind of the most important part, is actually making sales with a funnel. And the cool thing about this is that when you make your first $1,000, it doesn't matter which platform you're on, making money on any type of sales funnel platform is going to be awesome. But if you're using ClickFunnels, you can actually send them a notice and be like, hey, I actually made over $1,000 with this funnel, and they'll give you this cool little certificate here. So I got one. I'm going to show you how I got it and how to get yours and discuss your $1,000 funnel blueprint. So the way I'm going to do that is with some video walkthroughs. Basically, I'm going to show you what to do and how to do it. I've got a sales funnel crash course for you. I'm going to have a link on the screen and a link below this video that you can get access to it. The great thing is this is going to show you exactly step by step how to get your first $1,000 with a funnel the same way that I did. And I'm going to give you a little insight into how I did it in this video here to make sure that this is right for you. So you got to make sure that you're actually ready to sell online, that you're ready to put products out there and collect money from people. Are you ready to start your online business and actually go for it with a sales funnel? Next, are you ready to invest in yourself? So I'm going to show you inside, and you can get this entire mini course for less than the price of a latte. All you have to do is go to ShawnBayley.com/first1K. That's number 1 and K. Now, the great thing is that you don't need a lot to get started. I didn't, and I'm not going to make this all mysterious or anything like that. Inside the $1,000 funnel that I'm talking about here, the one that made me my first $1,000 with a sales funnel, I used 2 PDFs and a couple of videos, and those videos were made by someone else. Now, I want to give you a little peek inside here. So when I was talking about my first LTO, low ticket offer, that I was selling for, I was only selling it for $7, and it was a $7 PDF. I also had an order bump on that order page there. That was also $7. And lastly was a $97 upsell that was some videos made by someone else. Now, if all these terms that I'm throwing at you are throwing you off a little bit, don't worry about it. I go into a lot more depth and explain each one of these concepts inside the sales funnel crash course. But by having this setup, a $7 item, a $7 bump, a $97 upsell, that pushed my average order value, basically what each customer was worth, up to $35. So I want you to take a second, just kind of imagine what this means to you. Now, this concept will get even clearer as you go through the sales funnel crash course, but imagine people who are selling other items of similar cost. Somebody's selling a $7 whatever, right? And they're stressing because they have to spend $10 or $14 or maybe even $20 to get a customer inside their particular course, product, whatever it is that they're selling. But because you've got this set up a certain way with your own sales funnel and your average order value is $35 and you're selling the exact same thing, you're not stressing about spending $7 or $10 or $25 even to acquire a customer, because you know your numbers. You know your average order value is $35 or maybe even higher. That's the thing. Once you start creating sales funnel and playing with the numbers and seeing the effect that it has on average order value, I promise it's mind-blowing. That's why I talk about it so much on this channel, is because I love them so much. All you have to do is just go to ShawnBayley.com/first1K. Again, I'll have a link below this video that you can click on and go over to it. But let's take a little bit of a look inside here, because I want you to know what it is that you're in store for, what kind of awesomeness that you're going to get. Okay, so after you confirm your access to the course, you're going to be taken to a page like this. It says, congrats, you're in, and you're going to get an email from me with direct access to the course itself. There'll be a link inside the email. You'll get it as soon as you go and confirm your access to the course here. It'll come from the email that you see on here. So after you're in, you'll be taken to this page here, and it'll say, congrats, you're in. You're going to get an email that will take you over to the actual page itself with all the videos. The link will be inside the email. So once you get that email, just click on the link, and it's going to take you here. So step 1 is going to be watch these 2 videos right here, and here's where I go into depth about how I got the One Comma Club award and more depth into those products, the order bump, the upsell, and discuss that. Here I'm going to outline the actual funnel itself and show you all the pieces that we need, all the sales copy pieces, all the funnel pieces, and kind of map it out for you here. And then after that, we go into all the steps. And it's nice, just short little videos. I don't think any of these videos is actually longer than 5 minutes. So it's a nice, easy mini course to take through and go through at your own pace here. Now, I've even got a funnel diagram where I actually map this out for you. You can see all the steps laid out, and I go through and explain this diagram in the videos here. After that, we talk about all the sales copy pieces that you're going to need. After that, we set up all the pages, all the important stuff, especially your order bump. And after the sales copy is created, then we talk about things like setting up your domain, your payment setup, getting your payment processor set up, setting up your products, and your email marketing as well. So you can see, broken it down into nice, simple, easy to consume videos, and I've got some links to free tools and awesome stuff that you can try out as well inside of here. And the great thing is that this is accessible to anyone. I priced this thing below $10 just to make sure that everyone who wants this kind of thing can get access to it. And I can't wait for you to check it out. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you inside.